Golden Graces, it is certainly a pleasure to be here with you today on Wellness Wednesday. We're rounding out the end of October. It's the 29th. Wellness Wednesday. So I propose bringing to you OneWellness and specifically designed for animal stewards as wellness mobile veterinary clinics. That's who we are. I'm Reverend Doc D, hailing from Southern California. I'm the Chiefess Inspirational Veterinarian, agripreneur, and we wanted to bring a wonderful, wonderful program forward, Remote Care Today. This is the second presentation designed for chiropractors, and we won't be long. We just want to get you exposed to what's available. We have previously invited physicians, medical doctors, primary care providers in utilizing this phenomenal remote care today. And so we're going to get into it. But I started with this slide to show our support for animal stewardship, the human side of the clinic. And we have previously had presentations on standard process, which is a holistic, whole food, I call it NutriNourishment. It's a supplement company here in the United States. And after we get through with remote care, we're going to dig into number 3, New Zealand, deer velvet, and all these others. So we got a little bit of practice to do, veterinary practice, medical practice. But we are looking forward in sharing with you all of these phenomenal options that are available for human wellness, holistic wellness. Yes. Oh, let's slide through. This is the one for standard process. Yeah, whole food. You can go back, take a look at that. Okay, here we are, remote care. Remote care. It delivers innovative remote care solutions designed to ennoble humans in aging safely, independently. It has a comprehensive platform. It simply offers providers, including those associated with ACOs, Accountable Care Organizations, MSOs, Management Services Organizations. And then we've got physicians, chiropractors, pharmacies, home care professionals, and a few others. And this is a cutting edge, interactive, remote monitoring tool with technology and other programs. Remote care today focuses on a very dignified preventative wellness care delivery system. And actually, there are multiple ways in which remote care today can interact with providers. 3 basic ones, but we really want to promote the turnkey solution, which means remote care will bill on the provider's behalf. And this way, there's really no reason, They shut down all the excuses, doing all the work, contacting patients, billing, and the main thing that providers need to do is review on a regular basis their patients and the data that comes back to them in a report. This is amazing where one can provide all of these options that enriches patients' lives and provide benevolent, significant wellness outcomes from a preventional, let me get it out, preventative standpoint. And as I've said, without requiring additional staff or overhead costs. This approach connects directly with caregivers, healthcare and medical providers, and even families through patient-centered virtual programs to assist with simplifying aging, even preventing some of the chronic issues that we see today, and providing holistic management. And this is where we need to be, and I'm so glad Medicare is supporting it. With remote care today, we've got research to back it up. And this is one of the reasons why I felt we could come together in alignment, because we, as wellness mobile veterinary clinics, believe in research, education, and development, RED. So with remote care today, the research has been done. You can go to these particular entities and get the research yourself. 65% reduction in hospital admissions, excuse me. 76% reduction in hospital readmissions. 90% increase in patient satisfaction. This is important because most folks, let's be honest, don't really want to do too much, even if they know it will serve them. But to have such a high patient satisfaction, that really means something. That means you have engagement and people who have signed on themselves to actively participate. 44% reduction in emergency room visits. 51% improvement in medication compliance. That means that people are able to stay connected with their provider in making sure they're following up and following through on the medications they do have. Now, I'm coming from a perspective, let's get them down to a minimum. But here we go, 51% improvement. That's great. 80% of Americans support remote patient monitoring. We are in the 21st century. Hello? Come on, everybody. So this is important that we utilize the technology, the tools that are available to improve our health, our wellness. Amen. 25% of Americans would switch to physicians who have remote care. Can you believe that? So it's also marketable. If you are growing your practice, there you go. It's saying, yes, if you let people know, oh, we do remote care, they're going to come to you. And if you already have an established relationship, they're more likely to what? Stay with you and give glorious feedback because we're giving such a remarkable tool access to a platform that uplifts them on a daily or regular basis. And then this last statistic is economic, and that's the main reason why Medicare is even involved, because it actually saves money, dinero. Okay? A $2.1 billion savings in remote care. That was for 2023. And then for 2024, you see that number went up to 2.4 billion billion dollars. That says a lot. So I think it would be silly, and I don't want to say stupid, but it probably is a bit stupid to not utilize this opportunity. There's no reason not to. Give me a reason. Oh, let's back up. Okay. So we're going to go now to some videos specifically designed for chiropractors. Let's see if I can get down here. Okay. Here we go. I'm going to share my screen, and let's get over to, let's see, I hope it's this one. Okay, this is the one for chiropractors. Let's go.
As a chiropractor, you already know your patients count on you. And with over 35 million Americans seeking chiropractic services annually, chiropractors play a crucial role in healthcare. This is especially true for seniors who often rely on chiropractic care to manage pain, improve mobility, and maintain their independence. That's why we're happy to introduce you to Brain Health Plus, a remote therapeutic monitoring program, RTM, covered by Medicare Part B and most Medicare Advantage plans, designed to improve memory, balance, and cognitive function in just 5 to 10 minutes a day. It does this with fun exercises and games that stimulate the brain, increasing neuroplasticity. Your patients can access Brain Health Plus from their smartphone, tablet, or computer. It's a one-of-a-kind RTM platform that offers engaging, fun, and clinically proven activities to improve cognitive health, prevent falls, and helps your senior patients stay independent longer. We're talking about daily brain games, interactive motion sensing exercises, motivational health content, medication management tools like being able to scan your medicines right into the system, reminders of when to take medicines, potential drug-to-drug interactions, and even geofencing alerts, so loved ones are notified if a patient visits the ER or hospital. Every patient also gets a 30-second biometric facial scan they can do at home, so they can scan their face and track their health as often as they wish. This amazing technology lets them track important health vitals, like blood pressure, heart rate, and oxygen levels with 96% accuracy. Done with a smartphone or even a computer, it keeps patients motivated and engaged without replacing their medical care. And here's the best part. We do it all for you. You get a fully turnkey solution. Flyers, posters, landing pages, and patient onboarding handled entirely by us. We even do all the Medicare billing. No added staff time. No upfront cost. In fact, no cost to you ever. Just real results for your patients, such as a clinically proven decrease in falls and better memory. And you can earn administrative service fees for simply reviewing monthly patient progress reports for each participating patient, which will significantly add additional profits to your bottom line. Brain Health Plus. Easy for you, powerful for your patients, and great for your practice. Click the Book a Call button to schedule a demo and bring it to your patients today.
Isn't that fantastic? Okay, I want to show another video. Hopefully I can bring it up. Let's see. Let's stop share this tab. Let's bring this up. Okay, system. Okay, well, thank you. Some of that was repetitive, but I think that's good. Repetition is the mother of learning. And so we are wanting to get back to this if we can. Okay. Well, this completes the chiropractic part of the situation of sharing remote care today. I do want to bring forward an opportunity for listeners, all who are listening, that we are globally launching a product a platform, I'll say it that way, to leverage artificial intelligence with your brand. So, those who are in practice, this is another way to increase your revenues. And so I did put a QR code in the upper left if you want to take a screenshot, and you can find out more with the sizzle that's there. Maybe I don't know if I have it available. Maybe I could have brought that. I don't know if I can copy it here. I think I'll do that next time. To bring in, let me back up, the sizzle call. Yeah, I ought to have done that. Pardon. But we do meet. These are the days and times, noon and 9 p.m. Eastern Time. And you can see available on all these social media. This is another tool to put in one's toolbox when it comes to basically getting the word out. And there's so many other benefits to this tool that I don't want to get into it with this presentation, but I'm sharing it to let you know that we support it, and we want to make sure that the people we love, know, and care about have access to this phenomenal tool. It's another tool. Yeah, so let's end with saying thank you, thank you, thank you. Whoa, what's going on here? Let me go back. This is my thank you slide. And we are part of a grander scale of various opportunities that are available. So I'm not here to overwhelm anyone, just to let you know that we are global as a farm, Mother Earth, Reverence Farms and Ministries, and the clinic is one aspect of that. And that's where this chart, organizational chart, comes in. So we do have wellness mobile veterinary clinics that is functional here in Southern California. And that's where we get OneWellness from. And then we have Global Love Triumphant Ministries, which we have Green Dreams, Uplifting Agribusiness, primarily for women. And then soon we will be fully launching Sustainable Hemp Hall Enterprises. That is the construction side with industrial hemp as a focus. So I thank you again. Make it a blessed day, and we'll pray out. May we continue to be guided, gifted, and governed by Spirit. May it be so. Have a glorious and phenomenal, fun-filled day. Shalom.